Dear primary threes, how are you wherever you are? Hope you're doing well. Mommy is maybe fine, and daddy and the aunt, are they all fine? Then that is very wonderful. I welcome you, all of you, to our lesson 13 of reading. I still remain Teacher Monica. I will all call your attention to me. So it is time for reading with their children. And remember, our theme is still saying living things in our sub-county. Living things in our sub-county. And we say living things are things which have life. Are we together, children? Then that is wonderful. So today we are going to talk about a plant, in reading. Remember in Noah, we all run under one theme. You can find a math teacher coming, still talking about living things. Literacy, still living things. English, we have been just singing about living things. Still in reading, we have still come for the same living things. Meaning in Noah, we teach under one theme with their children. Very good. So today we are going to talk about a plant. And as your teacher of literacy already told you that a plant is a living thing that grows in soil. Are we together? Yes, and you know what soil is. Hope you know what soil is. The top layer that covers the earth's surface. So plants grow in soil. That's why we say plants are living things, because they have life. Yes? Good. Living things that grow in soil. So we are going to have what we call parts of a plant. Do you know the parts of a plant? Okay, if you don't know, you're going to know some of them. I have here my simple plant with their children. I have here my simple plant, and we are going to name the parts of this plant. Are we together, children? Yeah, I told you a plant is a living thing that grows in soil. That's why then I just uprooted this one here. You can even see soil here. It came out with it. Yes? Meaning it's a living thing that grows in soil. So this is my simple plant, as I have told you. We are going to identify some of the parts of this plant. Are we together? That is very wonderful. Who can tell me, how do you call this part here? What is the name of this part I'm touching? It is a leaf. If it is one, it's a leaf. What about if they are like here, there are very many? Are they still a leaf? No, they become leaves. So meaning a plant has what? Has leaves. So this one, if you add this one, they become what? Leaves. So they have leaves. Good. What about this one here? Which part am I handling here right now? What is its name? Good. This is a stem. Can you say stem? Stem. Good. We say these ones are leaves. What about this part here? This one here. In the middle here, there is this one, the main one, and there is this one here. I'm handling from here. So this one is a branch. Are we together? This one is a branch. This is a stem. These are leaves. What about this one here? What is its name? Very good. Can you clap yourself? So this one is a flower. Are we together, children? Yeah, this is a flower. Even you during your free time, my dear children, you go out, you look for any plant, then you start naming the parts. Are we together? So this one is a flower. This one is a branch. This one is a stem. What about this one here? These ones here which get down here. They are called roots. Are we together? Very good. These ones are roots. We say a flower, a stem, roots. Why do we say a stem? Because it is one, a stem. But we say roots because they are many. We have leaves. We have the flowers are here. Which one have we left? We have three main parts of a plant. Do you know them? We have the roots, the stem, and the leaves. Those are the three main parts of a flower. Then others are other parts of a flower. So this plant of mine has the roots, has the stem, has the leaves, the branch I'm seeing here, the flowers. Good? That is good. So this is my simple flower. Let us still mention the parts formed on this plant here. We said we have the roots, that is wonderful. We have the flowers. We have the stem. We have the branches here. Another branch is here. Are we there, children? That is wonderful. So this was just a simple plan. But during your free time also with children, you go outside your compound there, you look for any plant, then you mention, you name, even when you're touching. Like me, I'm also touching. Are we together? Yes. You also get your own plant. You start identifying the parts. For example, mine has no fruits. But for you may get a plant which has fruits. Are we together? Yeah, so mine lacks fruits, so for you might get the one with fruits. Even seeds are found on On a plant, but me, I don't have the seeds. Are we together? But you get yours, and even you start feeling even how it is it soft, is it rough? You get yours and also name the parts. Are we together, children? That is wonderful. Now, remember this is reading, and we have been talking about parts of a plant. It is not literally that I'll tell you that what are living things, what is the plant, mention 3 parts found on a plant. No, we are going to have what we call listen and write. Listen and write. Are we there? Can you get your pen? Get your pen and your book. We are going to have listen and write. Listen and write. Still, I'm going to read to you parts of a plant. Parts of a plant, the ones we have been mentioning and seeing. Are we together, children? That is wonderful. Number 1. Are you there with your pen? Are you there with your pen? That is good. Number 1. Write for me the word leaves. 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 That is our number 1. Leaves. Finished that one? Wonderful. Number 2. Hope I'm not so fast. I said number 1, leaves. Number 2, hope you're also drawing the table. As usual, I told you in reading, when we are having listen and write or dictation, we have to put this table so that our work looks organized. Are we together? That is good. Hope you've drawn the table. I told you the other time that this part is for practice, this one is for corrections, and the other side is for more practice. Leaves, flower, flower, flower. Number 2, flower. I said number 1, leaves. Number 2, flower. Stem. Stem, that is our number 3. Stem. Stem, are you there? Number 4. Number 4, roots. Roots. You have been seeing the roots on my flower, so now write for me the word roots. Are you there? You're good children. Number 5. Number 5, we finished the roots. Write for me there, seeds. Seeds. Yes, I told you on my flower, you did not see seeds because it was not having it. Are we together? But for you at home, you may find a plant with seeds. And you know seeds, yes? It can either be a bean seed, a maize seed, and so on like that. So write for me the word seeds. Seeds. Finished? Leaf. Leaf. The other one was leaves. so you write there leaf. Leaf, the singular of leaves. Are we there? Which number is that one? That is number 6. Next. Next. Read that, write from the word branches. 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 The one I was showing you on my plant. Branches. Are you there? Let's continue. So I had stopped on number 7, and our number 7 was branches. Write the word branches. Are you there? Branches. Then lastly, write the word branch. The other one is branches, but this one is branch, the singular of branches. Branch. Branch. Are you there? That is wonderful. Then here, under corrections, yes? Don't touch it. We are going to go through, but don't cross your work. Just leave, I shall mark, then you write later here. Or I will be doing the corrections as you also do the corrections, but not here under your practice. Are we together? So number 1, our word was leaves. Yes? So if you wrote something like this, that is correct. Are we together? Don't cross, or don't mark yourself. It is me to mark. Are we together? Number 2 was flower. Flower. Are we there? The other one was roots. Number 4 was stem. Stem. Number 5, are you moving with me? Towards leaf. Leaf. Number 6, seeds. Seeds. Number 7 was branches. Then number last was branch. Are we there? My dear children of primary 3, don't cross. If there is any word you failed, don't cross, just do corrections. Are we together? Then more practice, you copy the words which are correct from number 1 to number 8. Thank you very much, dear children of primary 3. Here comes the end of lesson 13. See you in lesson 14. Bye-bye.